Hey everybody, welcome to another video of mine. And in this video, we're going to be showing off the Backbone 1 for the iPhone PlayStation Edition. Take a look at it. I gotta say that it's pretty awesome. So let's open it up. I've already opened it up and obviously tried it. It is a great add-on accessory if you do game on your mobile phone. It just makes the experience like hundreds of times better, like so much better. I'm not one to game off my phone strictly because I like a controller. I don't like using controls on screen. You're just there, just with your finger on the glass, and you have that transparent image of a controller and buttons on there. I hate it. I just can't do it. So we have the Backbone 1 for the iPhone. Okay, so this is the box from the sleeve here. Okay, and I'm gonna quickly open it up and show you what you get. So this is what you get when you open it up. This is what it looks like. Now this here, if you have an iPhone Max phone, like a Max 13 or something like that, the Pro, this is an attachment, so it'll fit perfectly in the controller. Okay, so you get that. So let's take it out. I'm gonna put it on the phone, and then I'm gonna describe what this thing does. Okay, and so this is what it looks like. It pulls apart so your phone can slide in. Okay, you got all the buttons here. Now this is a PlayStation edition, so it is really inspired by the PlayStation DualSense wireless controller. Okay, and they do a good job at it. It's white. I don't think this comes in, I don't think there's a PlayStation edition that comes in black. If you want it in black, it's just a standard edition of the accessory. Okay, so, and you've got all the buttons here. You've got the two bumpers, the triggers, your analog controllers, your buttons here, and you've got a few extra features that'll just quickly show you what they do. So slides into the controller quite easily. There you go. Let me just blank out the screen. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And of course, it's the width, that this expands to depends on which phone you have. This is an iPhone 12, regular iPhone 12. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And I gotta say, I was very impressed when I turned it on and remoted. I use it to remote play my PlayStation. Actually, we can see if I can fit that in the video as well. So, you know what? Let's turn it on now, just so we're ready, so I can just show you what it looks like on here. Okay. Now, like I said, all the buttons you have, directional pad matches the PlayStation. A few technical details about it. It does not have a battery. Okay, so it's powered by your iPhone, which is not a big deal. It does not take up a lot of energy from the iPhone battery. Okay, it has a Lightning port. It has a headphone jack. But I don't think it's an issue if you use. I did not use Bluetooth as I'm gaming. I mean that it should just work normally. Now you'll notice there's a few extra buttons that are on here. This button here, right here, which is the Backbone app. Okay, so there is a Backbone app you can download. This will launch it. This button right here is a capture button, so you can actually take screenshots and record video. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to launch the PlayStation app. Okay, so the features, yes, collapsible and compact, low latency. So because of the Lightning port, it connects better and fast, like for proper response time by the time you push that button and you want that to react to your character on screen. This will work with any game that supports a controller. So right now I've only used it for the PlayStation Remote Play app. I haven't used it for anything outside of that, but again, if it uses a controller, if it's compatible with the controller, you can use this with it. Like I said, I mentioned the capture button, the jacks, pass-through charging. Okay, so again, no battery. You You connect this, it goes straight to the battery to charge. There's nothing in between. It is a great device. It's designed well, and it's made well. It's very tactile, very like pressing on the buttons. It feels right, like a proper controller. We have connected with my PlayStation, and there it is right there. Get a good look. There's the menu there, and you can see that. You got all my games there, and you're playing as if you're in front of the console, which, yeah, that's its job. But again, using this controller just makes the experience so much better. I mean, I really love this thing. I recommend it. If you're someone that does game, wants to game away from the console, I love this thing. This is fantastic. It's been a great experience. I'm really happy with this purchase, and I would recommend it to anyone who has this similar similar interest to gaming, and they want a proper experience and feel for when they do. So that's it there. Anyways, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I really, like I said, this is a great accessory to add on to your gaming collection, or accessories that you use to game. I really loved it. It's great. It's fun. It's designed well and made well. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Here it is, one last look at the box. So just in case you're out and about, you know where to get it. Made by Backbone. Fantastic product. I really love it. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.